But you're not showing me. Hey.
Hey.
Alright, let's get ready to go. Whoa.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So calm down.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Tiff, and thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. You already know what the deal is. You already know what to do. Please go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and definitely do not forget to share this video. So, excuse what I got going on with my face right now. Your girl got some pimples that are just very resilient and is really trying to hold their ground, and I'm over it. So yes, I have my Mario Badescu drying lotion on my face right now because I'm in the house and might as well work on getting my skin back clear. So yeah, we're dealing with this little situation, but that's not why you're here. You're here because you already know if you see me come on camera like this, you know it's about to be something going on with my hair. So today I'm going to do a crochet hairstyle. My hair is already braided. I think I have like 8 or 9 braids to the back with my one little bitty struggle braid at the back. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my hair. So I'm going to sew this down to my braid, and then I'm going to put some oil in my hair. I'm going to use the Mielle Rosemary Mint strengthening oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my scalp before I go ahead and crochet my hair, and then we're gonna be looking pretty, we're gonna be looking cute, we're gonna be looking fabulous. So I just decided to crochet my hair the other day. So my son's grandma came over and braided my hair for me. The hair that I really wanted to use, it wouldn't be here in time because I was gonna order it from Amazon. It wouldn't be here until Wednesday, and I ain't got that type of time because your girl started back at the gym last week, and I need a protective style because the leave out I had, baby, went poof. So we're not going there. So I don't want to ramble because I'm already like rambling. So I'm gonna go downstairs into, y'all already know, downstairs into the makeup room and get started on my hair. Alright guys, so I've already prepped my hair. I oiled my hair and I sewed down my one braid. I'm gonna get into my crochet. The hair that I'm using today is by FreeTress. It's the deep twist crochet hair. It's 22 inches. I got it in the color 1B and 1. They only had 2 packs of 1B, so I had to get 2 packs of 1B and 2 packs of 1.
Mommy,
So
I'll show you this real quick.
show me what? What is that? I can't hear. I'm just gonna leave that. We're gonna get right into the video. Alright, so I'm trying to decide how I want my hair. Normally I cut the hair in half. Like I said, it's 22 inches. I don't really want 22 inches, so I already know I'm gonna cut quite a good amount of hair off, whether it's like 4 to 6 inches. But I'm kind of thinking I want to have like a shorter look because the hairstyle that I want is 12 inches. It is so freaking pretty, that hair. So I'll definitely be doing that probably after I take this out, or just in a couple months I'm gonna do that hairstyle. I'm trying to decide, do I want to do the full 22 and still wind up cutting some hair, or do I want to cut this in half already? I'm gonna do the full 22, and then I'm just gonna cut it to the desired length that I want. You guys have seen me crochet my hair 1,000,001 times. If you haven't, I'm gonna link a couple of my videos below. Definitely go check out some of my crochet videos. But yeah, I'm about to jam out. I got my phone. I'm gonna watch a couple vlogs, and got my water, and I'm gonna drink that, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys once we got something going with this hair. Okay, so if you have not seen me do a dozen crochet tutorials, here you go. What I'm doing right now is separating the hair and then filling for my braid. What you do is slide your crochet needle under your braid, you latch on the hair and pull it back through, and then just tie it 1 or 2 times. That is the simple process. I'm gonna do that again for you guys. Again, I loop the hair around my finger, fill for my braid, loop the crochet needle through the hair, latch on the hair, pull it through, and then I twist the hair, pull it through, and boom. You can do that a couple times. You can knot it, you can twist it, but it's very, very, very easy, guys. Alright guys, so just wanted to stop in and show you guys my progress so far. I have 2 full packs of hair in my head, and I only have like just the front portion of my head remaining. Y'all don't have to look in the mirror so y'all can see. But yeah, this is 2 full packs of hair. This is what is remaining, what still needs to be done. I bought 4 packs of hair, so I'm good on that. I'm gonna actually start splitting the hair even more as I get to the front, because I want it to be as realistic looking, natural looking as possible. So I don't like big bulky pieces. Right now I kind of split it into like 1 or 2 pieces. Well, yeah, I split it into 1 or possibly 2 pieces, but I'm gonna start splitting it a little bit more. It is 12:21. I don't even remember what time I started, but I'm not in a rush. I do have to keep stopping to play with my son and check on him and make sure he's good. So this is about 1.5 hours worth of work. Yeah, that's about 1.5 hours worth of work. So I should be done soon, and I'll come back as we get to the top, as we get to the crown, baby. Okay guys, so the same process, I'm doing the same process. I'm just making the strands of hair a little thinner as I get to the temple or the front part of my head, because you don't want it to be super bulky. So I just get thinner strands of hair, but the process is the same, honey, same. Every time I try to resist, I can get away. I'm chasing these feels and then every day. All you wanna hear is an everything that we play. Staring next to you. What's up guys, it is the next day and your girl is basically finished with her hair. I actually wound up cutting it. I cut it a lot. It was about 22 inches. Like I said, I cut a good 5, maybe, yeah, I cut a good 5 inches off. And I'm still not done. I actually ran out of hair. 4 packs was enough, but because I was putting it so close together in the back, when I got to the front, like, I was dead ass out of hair. I had to like snatch hair from the back to fill in the top. So it's not as full as I would like it to be. I did not feel like running out to go get any hair, so I did find some hair in my stash. This is the Made Beauty Deep Wave. So it's the Deep Wave as well. So I'm gonna put this in my hair, just kind of like in the front. Probably cut a couple more layers in it because I actually want it to be shorter. Like, I don't know, I'm not feeling my hair at all, I will be honest, just because I really wanted that other hair that I wanted to order, but it wouldn't get here in time. So it's like when your mind is set on a particular hair or hairstyle, it's like but I'm gonna make it do what it do. So we're actually gonna go downstairs because I'm also in a rush. So let's go downstairs and finish my hair. Alright guys, so my hair is complete. This is the completed look. I didn't even get a chance to add the additional strands of this hair because when I tell you I'm in a rush today, I'm in a rush. I don't even think I'm gonna add any because once I wind up just flipping it over to this side, I'm really loving the look. Like, I'm really loving the look that it is giving me. So this deep wave hair I may not even wind up adding, but yeah, this is the look. I said I had about 7 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 braids to the back. I just slicked down my baby hair. Sorry if this lighting is horrible, but I slicked down my baby hair. And yeah, kind of like just liking it down. Like, oh God. I love curly hair. I freaking love curly hair. I've yet to invest in a good curly wig, but I love curly hair. And I think this is going to be really good for what I'm trying to do, which is get back in the gym and work out. So yeah, FreeTress. We already know FreeTress is that hair for crochet. We already know FreeTress can get tangled, can get frizzy, all of that good stuff. I'm not manipulating or putting anything in the hair. I will come back in about 2 to 3 weeks to show you guys how I restore my hair if you want to see how I bring my hair back to life. But for the most part, this hair is going to be good. What I typically do is I will put my hair up into a bun at night. Tie that bun up, put me on a scarf, and then tie the scarf down with another scarf, because I'll put my bonnet on and then tie it down with another scarf because I sleep a little while. And then that way my hair doesn't get as tangled or frizzy, and then in the morning, just take it out, let it fall, let it flow. And yeah, so I'm about to wrap up this video because my son is cleaning up, so all I hear is toys and his toy box moving across the living room floor. And yeah, we need to get out of this house because we have some things planned. So hope you guys like this. It wasn't really a tutorial, but it was more so of a, let me just show y'all my hair. Because I feel like I've done so many tutorials on crochets that this was really just, let me just show you a couple seconds of me doing my hair, but here is the actual final result. If I do wind up adding more hair, for the life of me, okay, like, where are my scissors? If I do wind up adding more hair, then I'll definitely put that on camera. But like, I still need to cut because that's like a super long piece of hair. I'm gonna have to cut it anyway because you see this section is shorter than this section. I know I just have like half hair flipped over because when I flip it this way, it's like the same length basically, but I do still need to cut just a little bit off of here. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut a little bit off of here, and that's it. Like, when you do your crochets, cut some layers in your hair, baby. Do not let this hair just be one length. We don't do that. We don't do that. But yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. You know what? I'm gonna take you guys upstairs really quick because this is a crochet video, but I just need to show you me and my son. We're so cute today. We're matching. We're matching. I had to come put, oh no, can't even show y'all the rest of my house. It's a mess. Had to come put my Timbs on. He got his Timbs on, but he doesn't have the wheat ones like mommy. Baby, come here. Let's get ready. You set another booby trap. Come here. Just come here. You come here. So yeah, we about to head out. We about to head out. Hurry, please. Be careful. I just need to show y'all. Look at the little prince. Come here, little prince. Look at him. Okay, well, you mommy's prince. We twinning and stuff.
I'm not a prince. I'm Jerron.
Okay, Jerron. Jerron, bag up a little bit.
Yeah.
Bag up.
Can I hold it this one?
I was trying to show the fit though.
Can I hold it?
Yes, but hold on. Hold on.
Can I hold it by
See,
myself?
this is us. I have on the long.
I said, can I hold it by myself?
I have on the long
Then I hold
vest, and then he has that. But you're not showing me. Hey.
Hey.
All right, let's get ready to go. Whoa. And we're out.